Good morning, second graders. We finally made it. It's finally Friday. Happy Friday, April 24th, 2020. Today on our schedule, we have daily language review. We're going to do Friday of week 33. Read to yourself for 30 minutes. Get that lunch and recess in. Math 180, day 145. You have wordplay on Brain Pop, and then you have a journal page to do. For social studies, you have your Neil Armstrong page to do in your daily language binder. If you've not done your daily language review, please take a minute to do it now. Alright, does the capital letter go here, yes or no? So you're simply just putting yes or no if these things need a capital letter. A, yes, it does need a capital letter because it's an abbreviation for the name doctor. Lives does not, so that's a no. And Texas is a state, so yes, that does need a capital letter. Is does not need a capital, so in the middle of a sentence. Monday is a day of the week, so that sure does need a capital, and so does June. So no, yes, yes. Alex and Jake are twins. Alex and Jake are names, so yes, yes, and twins is in the middle of a sentence, so no. Read to yourself for 30 minutes, find a comfy, cozy spot, maybe build a tent, maybe read in a secret hiding place, maybe read outside, wherever you find a fun place to read. Alright, Math 180, day 145. If you've not finished that yet, please go ahead and do it now. Alright, write the even number that follows 13. So this is tricky because they give you an odd number. The even number that follows 13 would be 14. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Or you could say, if you want to do a double stack, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. What is the difference between 59 and 42? 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. That'd be 17. Continue the pattern. Square, circle, circle, square would be circle, circle. Circle the cylinder. This is a cylinder. Show half past 10. Your small hand should be between the 10 and the 11, and then the long hand should be on the 6. Record the data, complete the chart. Jan likes to jump rope, already an X. Ben likes jump rope and kickball, and then Tori likes the same games. My dot went away. There should be a dot under here too. Mark is building a tree house. He needs to use 63 nails. Nails come in bags of 20. How many bags of nails should he buy? So if you count by 20, 20, 40, 60, that's only going to give you 60 if you get to 3 bags. So if we add one more, he's going to need 4 bags of nails. Shaping up, this is the journal page you need to do. Color the polygons. This is a review thing about what a polygon means. Then circle a pair of congruent. Color each pair of congruent shapes a different color. What makes this shape congruent? Think about what we've talked about in the past week. Then you have Neil Armstrong. Go through and do each of these questions, and on the back you need to answer this question for me, please. You made it. You persevered through another long week. It is finally over. I hope you have a wonderful, relaxing weekend. I can't wait to hear all about it.